Very common question is asked is what kind of brush should I use? Well, that depends on your floor surface. The first way to go, if you've got a really hard floor to clean, you can go on abrasive brush. These are grit brushes. They either go brown, which is super abrasive, up to a medium abrasive, to softer, to a light Tynex. This is a softer brush, again, in the grit range, and it's a green multi-purpose brush. You can go for the most common brush, which is a nylon. So this is the most commonly used brush used on most scrubbers. But in the event that you want to scrub with a pad and buff a floor, there are 3 ways to go. You can go green or red. A white is a really great buffing pad to run with. But if you want a stripping pad, you've also got a black one. So the best way to know what way to configure your machine is to ask your local scrubber rep, and he'll tell you which way to go. Generally, as a rule of thumb, most people go with a nylon brush. It's the most used out there. It's a simple brush. Pad, typically a lot more maintenance because they only designed to last between 5 and 10 hours, whereas a brush can last between 100 and 150 hours. And of course, once you get to the grit, which is for really dirty concrete that's highly penetrated, these are basically nylon with grit inside them, and the more grit content, the harder they become and the more aggressive they become. As you can see with that is super aggressive. Then we get lighter, and then of course these are like a scrubbing brush you'd have in your own bathroom. And then from that we then go to pads. Again, pads can go any color from black all the way through to white. So by memory there's black, which is super abrasive, then it goes brown, then it goes green, red, and eventually you get to white. So the world's your oyster. So know your floors, ask your rep which brush you need, and configure that with your machine selection.